Hello everybody, welcome to my first unboxing video. In here we got 60 something cards from ePack. One pretty big card in here. I think you might be a little surprised. I was pretty surprised when I pulled the card. But let's see. There's a couple of... The rest of this not too big because I had ordered maybe 2 weeks before I hit this card, and I basically had to order again. So get rid of all this stuff. I think I see it. It's the first card on top here, so we're gonna try to hide that. Right, the rest is all bubble wrap. Keep it on the side here. I'm gonna start off with this here. Oh, so this is a pretty nice card here. This is Game Day Draisaitl scores in overtime to lift the Oilers past the Panthers. This was a limited to 100. Very nice card. And we got some more Game Day Stanley Cup Final. These ones were for Brad Marchand. I'll leave that in there for now. We have a Game Day Lane Hudson rookie. Yeah. These are all just from my personal set. I actually collect the canvas. These are some that I'm missing. Crosby's nice one. Short print McDavid XP Blue. The A-Lines Gold and the Maple Leafs. Got a Sam Colangelo canvas. These are all from my canvas binder that you see behind us. Liam Ogren. This is a nice retired canvas here. Rogie Vachon. Beautiful. Here we got a Cole Caulfield. This is a blue Cosmic of Pack Wars. Then we got a Connor Bedard matte pink. Nice card. Centering's a bit off though. We got a Game Day McDavid. Fourth player in NHL history with 4 consecutive 20-point playoffs. Nice card. Oh, and we got one here from Marie-Philippe Poulin. Sets PWHL record. Nice card. Another Game Day Mikko Rantanen. Couple more cards here, and then we'll get to the big card. Let's tighten that. What do we got here? More canvas. Canvas card. Morgan Riley Cosmic. Seth Jones Arctic Freeze. We got a Henry Thrun autograph Violet Pixels. Nice card. number 6 of 99. A nice Johnny Gaudreau. A nice young gun outburst here of Matvey Michkov and Ivan. That's so small. Fedotov. Here's a VIP red Carey Price. I won this on the Pack Wars 12 of 50. Nice card. Got a Bradley Nadeau Pop Count 500. That's a nice one here. Cole Caulfield, a Peachy Platinum Shield. More canvas from my collection. A nice Patrick Laine Seismic Gold, 14 of 50. Lucas Raymond Cosmic number 55 of 65. Here we just had a couple of rookies. I just grabbed them to get them out of my account. Caden Booley. Here we got a couple of these premieres. We got Nick Suzuki, and Jack Eichel. And there's a lot of cards here. Sticker. And here we got a couple more of these. We got Marco Casper in the premiere. Austin Matthews Breaking News Gold. More canvas cards. And here we got a Carter Hart Blue Pulsar 73 of 100. These are nice cards. Here we got a Matthew Poitras silver foil. This is actually the first time. I just wanted to order one to see what it looks like. I have almost a full set of Series 1 completed. I'm just missing about 15 cards. You need to combine 10 base of each to get these silver foils. They look nice. Here, Tyler Bertuzzi, heavy metal. Alexander Barkov, Violet Pixel. A UP card, that's nice. That's a Carey Price MVP. Got a Beehive Gold of Matvey Michkov. Champs rookie of Jesper Wallstedt. Got a Devin Levi Rainbow Color Wheel. Matthew Nice Rainbow Color Wheel. Cole Caulfield Rainbow Color Wheel. Alright, one more pack and then it's the big one. Alright, what do we got here? We got a Matthew Beniers. This is a Pack Wars Blue Cosmic. Here we got Owen Beck, nice Sunset. Some more Carey Price. I'm a Habs fan if you can tell. A nice Luke Hughes Rainbow Color Wheel. Lucas Condana, Violet Pixel. Matt Zuccarello. Wyatt Johnson. Austin Matthews, Violet Pixel, Luke Evangelista, Rainbow Color Wheel, Adam Fantilli, Sunset, got a Lane Hudson, Rookie Debut. Here we got a Gage Gonzalez Deluxe Young Gun out of 250. It's actually the fourth numbered Young Gun I've pulled off E-Pack, and I've pulled 0 off of regular Lux. Alright, here we got a Lane Hudson Young Guns. I think that corner looks probably not a 10, but nice card. Then we got Pop Count for Jeremy Swayman, 1000. Finish it off with 2 Draisaitl game day cards. Alright, so 1 big card left. This card almost gave me a heart attack when I pulled it on E-Pack. So we'll see if I can flip it there. So let's see if I can slow roll it. There you go. Connor Bedard, rookie autograph. Emerald Surge, 5 out of 10. Pretty nice card. I have another unboxing probably coming next week. I have 200 something cards coming that I had ordered before I hit this card, so I'll try to film that one as well. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Take care.